guys, this is Queeness and welcome to my channel. We are making a 3-piece set of sunburst accent mirrors. Now you can purchase one for quite a lot, but these cost me less than $20 to make. We'll be starting off with skewer sticks and cardboard, but for a list of items please see the description. I am cutting 3 pieces of cardboard, just a little bit wider than the mirrors, and then I'm going to be sticking the skewer sticks right into the sides of the cardboard. Got this box of mirrors from the Family Dollar. For $10 it had I think 7 mirrors in it. I'm going to be using 3 mirrors that are the same size. We're going to remove these little things on the back that were put on to hang them up, and then we'll reattach them closer to the end once we've put in all the skewers and all that. Mark the sticks where I'm going to cut them. The longest ones are going to be 8.5 inches, and I'll put half an inch to stick into the cardboard. And the medium length one I'll do about 7 inches and with half an inch to go into the cardboard. And then the shortest sticks will just be what's left over from the medium length ones. And of course I'm going to put half an inch into the cardboard. I'm going to use hot glue to get them in, and then afterwards I'm going to put maybe some Mod Podge or wood glue to make sure that they stay in place once I'm finished. There is no hard and fast rule as to what length of sticks are going to go in when. I'm just going to try to make sure I use about the same number of each size to make sure it looks as balanced as possible. I've turned it to the back and put some wood glue on the back of it to keep everything in place. I'm gonna spray it silver. I'm gonna cover the back with a piece of paper just so it doesn't look so unattractive. I'm gonna use a piece of cardstock. Now I'll reattach the little hanger. Let's flip and glue the mirror onto the front. I'm adding diamond wrap to jazz it up a little bit. And then after that, I'm gonna add a few pieces of the silver diamond sunflower mesh wrap. I'm going to also add some self-adhesive glass tiles, just a few pieces. Okay, all done. There go all three, looking really good. All right, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I put new videos out. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.